TkWidgets is a library of widgets that I'm developing for Python Tkinter. It currently has a checkbox, scroll bar, and skill web widget with more widgets on the way. If you're interested in using a library, this video is going to go over how to install and use TkWidgets. So to install TkWidgets, you need to open up the command prompt. Then you want to type in pip install TkWidgets. Or you can head over to the TkWidgets Python package index page and copy the command, and then paste it into the command prompt. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Once you have the command either type or copy and paste it into the command prompt, you can hit enter. After that, TkWidgets will be installed. If you ever want to check for and install updates for TkWidgets, you want to type in pip install -- upgrade TkWidgets, and then hit enter. If a newer version of TkWidgets is available, it will be installed. TkWidgets work the same way as Tkinter standard widgets, so I'm going to import a checkbox widget. So I'll just do from TkWidgets import tk checkbox. Then I'm going to initialize it, so checkbox will equal to tk checkbox. I'm going to pass in the root as a parent. And so finally, I'll display it with checkbox.pack. Right, save and run that. And as you can see, I get a root window with a checkbox right here in the middle. Just like Tkinter standard widgets, there are additional options that you can pass into the widget in order to customize it to your liking. For example, you can change the checkbox's background, which I'll do right now. Typing in background equal to yellow. Save and run. And now our checkbox has a yellow background. Of course, there are more ways to customize the checkbox, but I'll go over those in upcoming videos. If there are any widgets that you would like added to the library, leave a comment below, and thank you for watching.